Good morning, everyone. This is Tyson Wash, Quartzsite, Arizona update drone shots. Smoke in the background from the wildfire to the north of us. We're going to go from the entry point there. There's the guard shack. We're going to take a buzz around this LTVA, long-term visitor area. On the left right there are dump stations that are not used yet because they didn't find water and they didn't drill deep enough. So the real cool water and dump station they were going to put in here is still dead in the water. I am told that by next year we will actually have them over here. But of course, the price is going up too, I believe. So circle the wagons. Modern humans still do what the old humans do. We get a bunch of campers, put them in a circle, and then hang out and enjoy the desert. I would recommend, though, looking at the last 200,000 years of our species, not just from here to the last ice age, because we used to be very nomadic and live in small groups between 15 and 45 people. Think about that for a minute. Compare, contrast, and overlay with modern-day Quartzsite, Arizona. I will leave you with that. Talk amongst yourselves. I don't get tired of looking at campers and people's rigs either. Because if you think about it, you got your your car campers, your tent campers, your pop-up campers, your teardrops, your Class Bs, your Class Cs, your fifth wheels, your big motor homes. Everybody is here. It's kind of interesting. We like it. We prefer going way out where it's quiet. We don't like the busy parts of the long-term visitor areas, LTVAs. So, and we don't camp at this one. A lot of people love this one. Although I might reevaluate that if next year the dump station and water and trash are all over here. Off in the distance, I think that's what they do with the septic water, the leach water. They just put it in a pond. The sun hits it, lots of evaporation. Probably destroys a lot of stuff too. That sun's pretty intense. I think that's the science behind it, evaporation and destroying all the bad bacteria. But I don't know if somebody knows for sure. Please make a comment. We're also looking at the old Yuma Road, which I can't imagine driving a road like that all the way to Yuma, but people did. So being this week in January with the big tent, the RV show, what else is going on? Yeah, that's it. Big tent, RV show, Tyson Wells. There's a lot of good shops and little tents all over the place with people selling their wares. Really, really interesting stuff. I would recommend a good walk around. Good people watching too. So this is likely as busy as it's going to get. I don't know if this year we're down or we're up for population. I haven't really read too much. Some people think that we're down a little bit. Some people think that we're busier than normal here in Quartzsite, Arizona. Not sure. But some people think that people that go to Quartzsite are crazy. It's overcrowded. But it's not. I mean, it's crowded if you want it to be crowded. You just go to the beginning part of the LTVAs and it's party central, or it's busy, busy, busy. If you like it quiet, just drive out into the desert. That looks like a quiet spot right below us. We like to be away from the roads, away from Route 10, away from State Route 95. Heading back towards the entry point. Across the streets, La Posta South. Across that highway there, you can see the vehicles on it. lot of people really set up for the air. They not only put their camper here, they put up auxiliary tents and outbuildings, and they really settle in. If you either get pumped out or go dump your tanks manually with blue boys or totes, you can bring water back. You can bring your gray water and black water, get rid of that, never have to break camp. And then with a robust solar system, you can be really comfortable. Well, that's about all I have to say. Thank you for watching another video of an update, January 20th, 2026.